And here we have a piece of history. 2017, manufactured in the last 2 weeks of production. Holden Commodore SSV Redline edition. With the LS3 6.2 litre V8. An absolutely outstanding machine. Unregistered, ready for a collector. Beautiful blue colour. The 19-inch wheels with the Brembo brakes. Keyless entry. Leather interior. Jumping into the car. Start her up. Travelled only 8,630 kilometres. 8,630 kilometres. Bluetooth, of course, and cruise control. Listen to that V8. Wow. Outstanding. What a beautiful car. What a great place to park your money. It does have, of course, satellite navigation. Of course, it's got an outstanding reverse camera. Finished. An amazingly outstanding attention to detail. Sunroof, of course. SSV Redline edition. Climate controlled air conditioning. Nothing beats a V8. Where do you get this collector's edition? You get it here at Country Wholesale Group, cwg.net.au at 15 Urella Road in Port Macquarie. Outstanding returns on your money with these Holden Commodores. No longer in production. And this one may be destined to go into someone's collection. Beautiful attention to detail. So 15 Urella Road in Port Macquarie, cwg.net.au. This amazing SSV Redline edition with 8,600 kilometres. Let's pop the bonnet and have a look. Here we go. 6.2 litre V8. Manufactured in the last 2 weeks of production. This SSV is outstanding. So please come on down to Country Wholesale Group, 15 Urella Road in Port Macquarie, to inspect this beautiful SSV. Without any doubt, you'll be more than impressed. And of course, we will look after you.